No, still no. Like, I didn't really want to bring math into this, but now you made me, so I'm gonna. They're not moving in the same plane of reference as the projectile. So they don't need to move the same distance or at the same speed of the projectile to dodge it. In fact, all the projectile speed does is set a time limit. And yeah, I'm gonna end up showing you in numbers. So let's say you had a second to dodge the bullet, and you had to move an inch to dodge it. You would have to move way less than even a mile per hour. Let's say you have a lot of distance to dodge the bullet. You get a foot out of the way. Still, about a half a mile per hour. But a second is a long time, so let's reduce that to human reaction speed, which is 0.2 seconds. Which means we multiply the 12 by 5. Now you're moving 3 miles per hour. But human reaction speed would require you to see a bullet from 3 football fields away. So let's say that you have superhuman reaction speed and you could see it from 1 football field away. Multiply the 60 by 3 and 10 miles per hour. Now let's make you a real superhero, a superhero that can see the bullet when it's right up in your face. Football fields are divided into 10 sections, so let's say that you see the bullet at the yard line in front of you. Multiply by 10 and you have 102 miles per hour. So now you are dodging a foot out of the way of a sniper bullet that is 1 yard line away from you on a football field. That's how quickly you have to notice it. To do that, you have to move at 100 miles per hour. How fast does a sniper bullet move? 2,600 feet per hour, which is equivalent to 1,772 miles per hour. But you're only moving at 102 miles per hour to dodge it. That's because you're moving in a different plane of reference. You're moving perpendicular to the projectile's motion. The projectile just sets a time limit, but that time limit is not equivalent to the projectile's speed. The speed you have to move is just the distance that you need to get out of the line of fire in the amount of time it would take from you noticing the projectile to the projectile hitting you. And that doesn't actually have a whole lot to do with the projectile's speed. So no, if you can dodge a bullet, you are not faster than a bullet, and similarly, if you could dodge lightning or light, you are not faster than lightning or light. Even if you don't see the person firing it, even if you're only reacting to the projectile. It means you have good perception, good reactions, but it has nothing to do with your speed. So how you would actually do the calculation, as opposed to how Death Battle does it, is you would measure the time from the point where the character noticed the projectile to the point after they dodged it, because that's when it would have made impact. And then you measure the distance that they moved to dodge. And it's really simple. Distance plus time equals velocity. That's how you get their actual speed. It has nothing to do with the actual velocity of the projectile coming toward them.